सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे TCP IP के बारे में, जो कि डाटा कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क का पार्ट है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टॉक अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ TCP IP. So the US Department of Defense, that also known as DoD, created the TCP IP reference model because it wanted a network that survive any condition. TCP IP model has since become the standard on which the internet is based now. In 1992, the standardization of a new generation of IP, often called IPNG, was supported by the Internet Engineering Task Force IETC, known as IPNG is known as IPv6 that we are using today. The TCP IP model, or DoD, that is Department of Defense, hierarchical protocol model जो कि made up of interactive models, each of which provide a specific functionality. However, the modules are not necessarily interdependent I mean, whereas the OSI model specify which functions belong to each of its layers. बिकॉज OSI मॉडल में हम लोग जो हर एक लेयर होती है वो अपने टॉप और बॉटम लेयर पे डिपेंड होती है. द लेयर ऑफ TCP मॉडल, बेसिकली TCP IP प्रोटोकॉल, suits can relatively independent protocol that can be mixed and matched depending on the needs of the system. The term hierarchical means that each upper level protocol is supported by one or more lower level protocol, that I mean. सो TCP IP मॉडल जो है एक प्रैक्टिकल मॉडल है, और जो हमारा OSI मॉडल है वो एक लॉजिकल मॉडल है जिसको ISO द्वारा स्टैंडर्डाइज किया गया था कि हाँ, अगर दो डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स को आपस में कम्युनिकेट करना है, सच एज वी आर यूजिंग मैक एंड समवन इज़ यूजिंग विंडोज़, देन हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट बोथ सिस्टम कैन कम्युनिकेट ईच अदर, बोथ सिस्टम विल कम्युनिकेट ईच अदर. That's why to solve this problem, the ISO introduced the OSI model. It's a logical model that tells how both different computer actually communicate to each other. It doesn't mean different type of system have their own capability to communicate with their own type of system. Both the system or the different type of system must have the capability to communicate each other. That makes a network, and that's TCP comes in.